Hi everyone, welcome to the new week. So last week you guys did a great job in the reading discussion activity and the case study activity. So next week we will keep doing the reading discussion and the case study. So this is week 4 page. So this week we still have 5 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video. The second one is to read the topic of this week. So have a basic understanding what we will learn this week. And the third one is the reading assignment. So we still have 3 readings. So those are the links. If the link doesn't work, please let me know as soon as possible. The fourth task is to do the discussion activity for the reading. So still 2 parts. The first one, so I just changed the deadline. So the first one is due this Sunday, February 17th, and the second one is due February 19th. So next time we will use a new tool called Padlet. So what you can do with the Padlet is just click this button, and then you can add your reflection in this window, and then you can give comment here. So the first part is to provide your own reflection, and the second part is to provide comment to your classmates. So the last activity this week is also the case study activity. So this is a link to the article you need to read. So there are 4 stories for 14th. So please read them carefully and then choose one thing and to share your reflection to their stories. So this week we will use a new tool called the voice thread. So if you do not know how to use a voice thread, there is a link to the instruction page provided by our university, and there is a video provided by one of our previous teachers in this course. So this is a window you can add your reflection. So this is a voice thread window. So after all of this, that's all for this week. Hope you will enjoy this week, and see you next Wednesday. Thank you.